I've done that on my before. It's gonna get the gas. So I have some in here. These are the XTs and the GTs. The Evolution. Now there's no QC in all of these. They just came off the truck. So the XTs are a 6-seater, but they do offer a 4-wheel drive. Yeah. So you'll have an additional motor in the front. Or the GTs, which this one's a little bit lower. This is a 2-wheel drive model. So this one is like 15,995. Sorry, this one's 17, so $2,000 difference for the 4-wheel drive. And then I do have some Ventillis that just came in. They're actually, I think they're all outside. If you want to take a look at those. Yeah. Okay. We can try them out. Try them on the road.
Màu xanh đẹp ha.
Oh, I like that blue.
Yeah, this is nice.
So that one we are out of blue. We have white, red. We have it in like Arctic gray or sea. Now is this something we can order in or no? We can put an order for it, but then we need to run out with the tariffs or the back order. But we can definitely put the order for it.
Màu trắng nó gọn quá ha. Ốm vậy được.
It does have integrated speakers, LEDs. It's got a built-in refrigerator in the dashboard. Storage, Apple
Con leo lên.
CarPlay. This is more like a bells and whistles. Maybe do this in the car.
Không có này ngồi được.
No, never got you. Yeah. So that's why we're looking at this.
Rồi có cái lưng, có lò. Có cua lợn này.
I don't think we need the fridge. Nè, tủ lạnh luôn.
Rồi, ở này cũng được. Ba ngồi trên đây nè, ba lái xe. Bao nhiêu?
16 ngàn. Đó, đại ý nói 16 ngàn. Cái chiếc này compare với 16 ngàn chiếc kia là ổn.
Ủa chiếc màu xanh nó chỉ bên đó là gì?
Đó được không?
Rồi ngồi đàng hoàng. Đó.